Unravel the mystery of rope braids. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of hairstyling, focusing on the unique and stylish rope braid. This technique creates a twist that resembles a rope, and it's a fantastic way to add a twist to your everyday look. So, let's braid away. A rope braid is a two-strand braid that involves twisting the strands and then twisting them together. It's a simple yet elegant style that can be dressed up or down. It's perfect for those days when you want a hairstyle that's both quick and chic. Creating a rope braid is simpler than you might think. You start by dividing your hair into two sections. Twist each section separately and then twist them together in the opposite direction. Secure the end with a hair tie, and voila! You have a rope braid. Rope braids can be versatile. You can incorporate them into a ponytail, use them for a crown braid, or even create a full updo with multiple rope braids. They can be worn casually or made fancy for special occasions. To perfect your rope braid, make sure your hair is tangle-free before you start. Use a bit of hairspray or mousse to tame any flyaways. Remember, the tighter you twist the strands, the more defined your rope braid will be. And that's a wrap on rope braids. With practice, you'll be able to whip up this style in no time. Hope you enjoyed learning about this fun and fashionable braid. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to twist and shout with the best of them. Until next time, keep those braids looking gorgeous.